Edo Governor Obaseki on Tuesday, 13th August 2024, signed the revised supplementary budget of 450 billion naira into law. Obaseki wey signed the revised supplementary budget for ESCO Chamber Government House Benin City talk say the government dey put about 5 billion to take boost the growth of small businesses for the state. A cultural salute to Mr. Speaker and members of the Edo State House of Assembly for the honor wey dem give am by quickly approving the revised supplementary budget. Say dem gat come back to the house to request for revision and supplementary allocation of the existing 2024 budget. Say after dem review and check am well, dem see say the 2023 budget na about 225 billion naira and that time the exchange rate na about 750 naira. Say na common sense if dem wan grow Edo State economy, the budget size suppose double. Oga Obaseki constantly talk say with this revised supplementary budget, dem go try to address some issues as dem plan to disburse up to 1 billion naira every month to help very small businesses, traders and farmers get capital. A constantly talk say
we had to come back to the house to request for a revision and a supplementary allocation of the existing 2024 budget, because after thorough review and analysis, we found that whereas the 2023 budget was about 225 billion, at that time the exchange rate was about 750. It only follows common sense that if we are to grow the economy of Edo State, at a minimum, our budget size should be doubled. What we came to realize is that for many small businesses, for many individuals who are into business, because of the inflationary pressures, most of their capital have been eroded. We felt that in this budget, we should attempt to address some of those issues. So we are providing in this budget up to the sum of 5 billion naira, which we attempt to disburse about 1 billion naira monthly to help very small businesses, traders, farmers to access some capital in an organized manner. We will use market associations, we'll use age grade groups and associations in communities where they already have some support to each other. We'll see how we can use some of these monies to support ASUSU groups so that as much as we can within Edo State, we'll see how we can ameliorate the sufferings and pain which many of our citizens are currently experiencing.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. From Government House Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.